how to remove photo background in CapCut. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, I will simply open CapCut. Now I already added the pic that I want to remove background, so you need to import the pic in CapCut. Once you did that, so how you can remove background, power background, you need to click here. Once you click here, on downside you guys will see icons like split, animation, effects, AI video edit. So I will simply scroll on left side. Once I scroll, you guys will see remove BG with video quality. So you need to simply click on remove BG. Once you click on remove BG, you guys will see auto remove, custom remove, chroma key, AI background. So if you want to remove specific color from that pic, you guys can select chroma key, and here you guys can select the color, and the background will be removed from that color. Now, if you want to remove the background of picture using the whole background, or you need to keep the main object, so for that you need to simply click on auto remove. So I will click on auto remove. Now wait for a second. Here we go. Our background was removed from our object. There's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.